In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a comment in Notion. Removing comments is a small but important part of keeping your Notion pages clean and organized, especially when you've already resolved a discussion or no longer need a note that someone left. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of deleting a comment so your workspace stays tidy and focused. First, make sure you're on the Notion page where the comment you want to remove is located. Comments in Notion usually appear in the right sidebar when you open the page, or attached to specific blocks of content like text, headings, or database items. If you're looking at a block with a comment, you'll often see a small speech bubble icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that comment to open it if it isn't already visible. Once the comment is open, move your cursor over it. As you hover over the comment, you'll see a small menu icon appear, usually represented by 3 vertical or horizontal dots. This 3-dot icon is sometimes called the More Options menu. It can be easy to miss if you're new to Notion, so take a moment to look carefully near the top right or side of the comment box. When you see the 3 dots, click on them. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options related to that specific comment. These options can include things like editing the comment, copying a link to it, or other comment-related actions depending on your current permissions and the version of Notion you're using. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Delete. This is the command you'll use to remove the comment completely. Go ahead and click on Delete. Notion may ask you to confirm this action, especially if the comment is part of an important discussion. If a confirmation message appears, simply confirm that you do want to delete the comment. After you confirm, the comment will disappear from the page and from the comment thread. This means it's no longer visible to you or to anyone else who has access to the page. If you're cleaning up a long discussion, you can repeat this same process for each comment you want to remove. Open the comment, click the 3 dots, and then choose Delete.